Here we have Lykins Creek Road, railroad crossing in Pikeville, Kentucky. Here at the first signal, it has a Western Cullen Hayes base. You have a Seamenscape mechanism. You have a CSX emergency information. As you can see, dot number is 227225K. And the lights are all Western Cullen Hayes topped by 20-inch lights with Leotech EV series LEDs in them. Here we have a Rico LED gate lights. And we have WRS bracket. And finally, the bell is NAGE bell. I think Western Cullen Hayes mechanical bell was dead and knocked down by a car accident. And they had to replace to LED the other way. Now, over here, we have second signal over there. I can go cross the road there. I had to watch out for cars too. My safety. Okay, cars are coming over there, so I had to wait to get the other side now. And over here, we have another, we have the relay case. And we have a train signal right over there. Oh, maybe not. Maybe not. Now I'm gonna go quickly cross the road here. So the second signal has, I wasn't showing you this crossing condition. Now, here we have another Western Cullen Hayes base, but on the back it says WRS base. You have another Seamenscape mechanism on the back, and here you have another Western Cullen Hayes topped by 20-inch lights with Leotech EV series LEDs. And we have another Rico LED gate lights. So this way leads to Floyd County, to Harold, and down the way, and down that way it leads to Shelbyana Yard. As you can see, the light's still on. Which, here's a Satran lock in it over there. Which, so yeah, I can get over here. Okay, there I can see a better view. So here I have Lykins Creek Road, railroad crossing in Pikeville, Kentucky. Over and out.